here's a PSA on this. As you see here, there's little thorns, but they're not that bad, right? You could kind of negotiate around these, and that's probably just because maybe the frost or whatever happened. You know, we had some cold weather in Florida. They can grow up to be like that, right? And you definitely don't want to be stabbed by that. But that's not the bad ones. Let me go over here. This one, because this one just tore me up. The things you have to worry about are these. See those little teeny brushy looking things? They look unassuming. This is what they do. You can see my knuckle here. You see that? All those are like little teeny splinters. And I have them throughout my hands. I was wearing gloves, but obviously not the right ones. I need to get leather ones. But the only thing I could imagine is on this hand too. Oh my gosh, see I'm turning red? You see my hands right there. It's horrible. It's horrible. It's honestly kind of very painful. But remember that stuff that old people used to put on the trees in the 70s? Fiberglass stuff? Angel hair. That's what it's like. And it is so painful. Now I'm gonna have to go inside and kind of try to tweezer out all of this. And I'm gonna break out my leather gloves, which I don't know why I didn't do to begin with. I was thinking of these spines. Totally forgot about this situation. I put some leather gloves on. Hopefully that'll help me and not destroy my things. I have a little glue there drying. I can't get it out. And I still have random hairy spines on me. See all these little death traps? I now have a separate box for anything that has that on there. I do not want to make this mistake again. Throwing out the old gloves because they're riddled with spines now. And we're going to keep going. We're defeated. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright, it goes through leather. It goes through leather. Holy crap, seriously? It goes through leather too. It goes through everything. See, it's on my thumb. And what might be leather. And it breaks off. I love it. I love how it breaks off. That's really special.